graph f of x equals 5x minus 1, then write and graph the inverse. So let's start off by doing that. So starting off, we know our y-intercept is -1, so we'll put that on our graph here. It's got a slope of 5, so that means every one that it goes over, it goes up 5, over 1, up 5, and then if we have to go to the left, we have to go left 1, down 5, so get down to -6, and then the next point's approximately right there. And then you just play a little game, connect the dots. Hopefully your line ends up being a little better than mine right there. Let me try that again. Okay, that'll be good enough for what we needed. Now it says write and graph the inverse. Now in order to write the inverse, we need to start off by writing our function as a y equals. So y equals 5x minus 1. And then for the inverse, you remember just like we did in the previous problem, you switch the x and the y coordinates, we also can switch the place of the x and y. So we make it x equals 5y minus 1. Now from there you just got to solve for y, so we'll add 1 to both sides. So I get x plus 1 equals 5y. Then we got to divide both sides by 5. That's going to give us a slope of 1/5 x plus y-intercept of 1/5 equals y. Now again, to get in the proper inverse format, or format I guess is the word I'm looking for, you need to use this notation. F inverse of x equals 1/5 x plus, in this case, 1/5 again. So plotting that on our graph, let me switch colors for our inverses second so that we don't mix up, one more time, so that we don't mix up what we're doing and when. Let me switch this to red. And then we can graph this in red as well. So our inverse, we're going to have a y-intercept of 1/5. That's going to be pretty small, so we're going to go right about there. And it's got a slope of 1/5. That means it's going to go for every 5 that it goes over, it's going to go up 1. Now it's not going to be super high up, so we're going to go over 5 and approximately up 1. And same to the left. If I go left 5, we're going to go down about 1, so right about there. This is not going to be perfect because, well, we're humans, that's okay. But it's going to have a very low slope. And you can kind of see that those are inverses reflected over the line y equals x.